It's been 1 week since the Fed dropped the word patient. Gold's looking for its sixth straight winning streak, and we have Jim Wyckoff with us right now to tell us what's going on. Jim, thanks for joining me.
Hello, Alex. Always nice to be with you.
All right, Jim, so durable goods came out this morning, disappointed a little bit. We saw a reaction from gold. Now, do you think more disappointing data is on the horizon from the U.S. markets?
Alex, I think, the durable goods data certainly fell into the camp of the bulls, but I think the bigger picture that traders and investors are looking at right now is the weaker U.S. dollar index this week that really has propelled a lot of raw commodity markets maybe out of their doldrums and maybe even starting to suggest that the raw commodity sector is bottoming out.
Right, and before we get into the U.S. dollar, let's touch on Chicago Fed President Charles Evans, who said that perhaps it might be a better idea to hold off on rate hikes until 2016. How do you see that playing into the market right now?
That's another bullish element falling into the camp of the bulls. If rate hikes can be postponed till 2016, that's just another bullish element.
And getting back to the U.S. dollar, we have seen some weakness in the last week, which have supported gold prices. But analysts are still saying that the bull run will continue. So how do you see the currency playing out right now?
Well, looking at the dollar index, there hasn't been any major technical damage inflicted as we speak. But the bears do have downside momentum in the dollar index, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some more downside price pressure. In fact, there are some early technical clues that the dollar index has topped out. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. I'm not ready to say, that the major bull run of the dollar is over, but there are some early chinks in the bull's armor.
Fair enough. Let's switch it over to Greece, who have made it back into the news this week. How do you see this playing out with the Greeks and Germans? Do you think that the gold market is really firmly watching what's going on there?
Yeah, they are. The marketplace is watching that situation. It appears to me that Greece just makes enough progress to keep the European Union officials from coming down hard on them. But this is a big deal, and the devil is in the details, as I've reported in my AM report this week. These details have to be worked out, or this matter is going to come back to the front burner of the marketplace. The bottom line is, it's still a bullish element that could flare up at any point and prompt some safe haven demand for gold, especially for those holders of the euro currency that want to buy a safe haven asset.
All right, Jim, let's take it over to your Wyckoff market ratings for gold and silver this week.
Alex, I'm giving April COMEX gold futures to Wyckoff's market rating of 3.5. Prices have made a nice rebound from the March low. The 3.5 rating does still fall into the bearish camp, but the trend in that rating has been going up. We almost hit $1,200 in April gold as we speak. So we do have resistance at the $1,200 level. If we push above that, that's going to give the bulls more upside momentum. Solid chart support is located at 1168. Now looking at May COMEX silver, a little better technical posture in silver than in gold, giving that a Wyckoff market rating of 4.5. That's slightly in the bearish camp, but again, significant improvement from recent weeks. Overhead resistance at 1750. Solid technical support at 1625.
All right, Jim, thanks very much for your time. Always a pleasure.
All right, Alex, thank you. Bye-bye.